everyone, it's Charlene from stampingwithcharlene.com. On today's episode of Stamping Schoolhouse, we're going to talk about the things that you can purchase to start paper crafting if you have a budget of $250. If you want to start paper crafting and have a budget of $250, I put together some items that will get you on your way and started to becoming a top-notch paper crafter. I am introducing you to the Flowering Cactus product medley on page 9 of the 2021 Stampin' Up! Mini catalog. Let me show you all of the products that you get in this product medley. This is a great way to get started with stamping, and I've added on other items so that you can get going right away. The product medley itself comes with the Flowering Cactus stamp set, the coordinating flowering cactus dies, a pack of 6x6 designer series paper, a set of self-adhesive embellishments, and 2 colors of linen thread. I also suggest that in addition to the medley, you purchase a pack of envelopes, Clear Block E, multi-purpose liquid glue, Stampin' Dimensionals, the paper trimmer, and the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And of course, don't forget about the classic ink pads. For just under $250 before tax and shipping, you can get all of this and be well on your way to becoming a paper crafter, making beautiful cards and other items. And in addition to that, you will be able to receive free merchandise as part of Stampin' Up's Hostess Reward program, up to 10% of what your purchase price is. So that could be about $25 in an additional free supplies that you can purchase. So check it out on my blog at stampingwithcharlene.com. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Stamping Schoolhouse. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon so you can receive an alert whenever I upload a new video so you won't miss out on any new information. Thanks for watching and have a great day.